Welcome to Bodyguard in Hampshire. We're a professional and reliable family-run company with an excellent reputation in automotive paint and body repairs. Using state-of-the-art equipment, we ensure all work is carried out to the highest standards. Working on all makes and models, our wide range of services include repairs, resprays, body kits, paintless dent removal, alloy wheel refurbishment, valeting, mobile body shop, and much more. We pride ourselves on quality workmanship at competitive prices, and our dedicated team are all highly skilled and experienced. Thanks for watching. For more information, please call us on 07798 753 786.